Welcome back to Thrani, I'm Joe B. Today we'll be identifying the parts of a wheeled walker so you can use it properly as well as your loved ones. Let's dive in. A wheeled walker is an assistive walking device used to provide maximum stability as well as 40 to 50% weight unloading of a weak or post-surgical leg. It can hold 175 to 300 pounds, and its bariatric version can hold up to 500 pounds of body weight. From the name itself, this device just needs to be rolled instead of lifted, so lesser arm work is required. This assistive device can be primarily used for those who have been provided none or partial weight-bearing orders by their doctor with moderate to severe balance impairments. Parts of a wheeled walker include the hand grip for active propulsion, the release or folding buttons to allow it to be stored, the side frame and the H frame, the plastic connector frames called the reducer caps connects the frames to the leg post. You also have the legs or the posts, as well as the back rubber tip and the front wheel. The wheeled walker also has a height adjustment button to allow better posture while walking. If you want to know how to adjust the height of the wheeled walker as well as how to use it, watch this next video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. And for more therapy animations, please subscribe to Thrani.